if this works, it will be the stuff of legends. I hope it works. I gotta jump in the Daytona Prototype right now. Obviously, we're having a good time. I'll be honest, I'm a little stressed. So we're lighting this with a scooter.
I'll be right back.
Where you going?
I gotta get it.
Well, we get an A for effort. A for effort. I want to win.
That's fair. Can that be our new motto?
Well, here's the deal. This is the deal. All the wires and everything clear of hot things.
I'm gonna double check before you do anything.
How are you gonna mount them, Casey? Well, we have duct tape and a will.
Oh yeah, it's good.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Because this is America, goddammit, we don't give up.
Oh yeah!
Let's see what happens next. We are on our way to auto parts stores right now with Blaine and I to see if we can get a bunch of concoctions from street cars to run remote coil packs with spark plug wires to make it work. I think it'll work. Other people don't know if it'll work. I feel like it can't be any worse than the way it is right now. So let's go MacGyver. 80s, engage! Yeah! You wanna lock the doors? Why? Oh, we're going to Sketchland?
You never know.
We're going to Sketchland, Sheboygan, people, because this is America, goddammit, we don't give up. Yes! So here's what we got. Where is it? Where's what we got? We got a universal spark plug kit. Yes! Which will totally fit down the holes of the Cosworth engine. Fancy nothing. And we got glue, and we got electrical connectors, and we got wire. But most importantly, we found 3-wire coil packs. And we're like, hey, so our engine, the soft rev limiter comes in at just 9,800. So gosh, what car out there in the world that's mass produced would have a 3-wire coil pack that revs to the better part of 9,800? What are those things stock, 8,500?
Yeah, something like that.
We got Honda S2000 coil pack, and it's got 3 wires. Yes, look at this action right here. And that's good for 8,500 stock for 100,000 miles. So it's gotta work in a Formula 1 car for
15 laps max.
A few laps, yeah. So we're gonna have these, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the spark plug wires into hole, and the spark plug wires are gonna go to the engine in that hole, and then we're gonna extend the wires on Cosworth's dopey loom.
Yeah.
Leave the knock sensors in place, cut the wires. We got wires we need, and we got little connectors. They fit on these good? Is it about the same width, or are they still wider than these?
No, it's like perfect fit.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's put some electrical tape around them so they can't touch each other. So anyway, we think it's gonna work. And the previous owner knew how garbage that design was. Don't hit the pole. Don't hit that, Blaine.
I won't hit the pole.
Don't hit stuff. We're apparently in the hood of Wisconsin. Is this?
This looks like a safe area. Just every AutoZone I've ever been to, this has not been one of the good place ever.
Jeez, Blaine.
I worked at one, okay? It was not a great place.
I don't know where it's like down south where you're from. These people eat cheese.
I eat fried chicken.
They eat fried chicken up here?
I don't know. I hope not.
So every time Blaine starts twanging it up his southernness, Derek, or Army, starts going extra Asian. I go extra British. And then, and then Jixer, Numbnuts, Grayson, I almost forgot his name, goes extra surfer. Dude. So anyway, we have S2000 coil packs. How are you gonna mount them, Casey? Well, we have duct tape and a will. A will to succeed, because this is America, and we're gonna win, goddammit. Well, we might not win, but at least it's not gonna be embarrassing. We have to let that thing sing, right, Blaine?
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
You got anything else you wanna say? You know, yeah, I'm not as motivated just to beat the next guy or to win the bet with Jim, so much as if this works, it will be the stuff of legends. That excites me, right?
Lotus will be scared of us.
This will literally be the coolest thing that ever happened. And I'm gonna, you know, this is why it's called Genius Garage, we think. It might not be, we could be complete idiots. I think it worked. Why would
this here's no air quotes, we're good.
I think this works. I'm gonna duct tape this to something. Nobody's gonna know. I was kind of excited that we were like LS swapping it, but I guess like
that works.
Honda ignition swap,
yeah.
K swap. These fit in the K series too.
Yeah, they do.
So if we take them off the Lotus, we can put them in the Indy car.
Should.
Yeah. right. Hope this works. We'll find out. Also, I hope my hands are okay. My broken foot hasn't been bad. Hey, they got Grumpy Cat flipping us off as a bumper sticker. That's sweet, Blaine. We need that. Grumpy Cat, yeah! He's flipping you off. All right, we'll see how this goes. We are officially wiring this in with the help of Gorilla Tape. Yes! Duct tape is not good enough. Apparently, if you can't duck it,
Gorilla it.
yeah. We're gonna wire it in the morning, meaning splicing the wires to go to the Honda S2000 coil packs. I know you guys can't see anything, deal with it. Honda S2000 coil packs are right here, but check this out. So obviously here's the Cosworth engine. It was developed from the XG, right? Am I crazy?
XG.
Yeah, XG, IndyCar engine. So the IndyCar engines earlier were 3.5 liter and then 3 liter. So they took those, basically they bored out a 3.5 liter IndyCar engine from Cosworth to make this, and then tuned it to run on gasoline. That's what it's all about. So it had these dumb little coil packs that went in there. Now we'll have to put the NOx sensors back on. But so we got these universal spark plugs, wires, that go to the S2000 packs. Since the coil packs can't be held down, we use Gorilla Tape really nicely on the spark plug wire. I don't even see that, right here, down here, and built it up. And then the whole thing is literally Gorilla Tape to have the wire in place, so it goes up, and when I crimped on the metal connector like you do with spark plug wires, it goes up and touches the coil inside the coil. So I think that's gonna work. So we're gonna have to mount those tomorrow, and we've got little connectors that go in there. Oh hell, this silicone glue is not gonna dry fast enough.
We spend enough at the AutoZone tonight.
Yeah, we spent a lot of money on AutoZone. Plenty. You're getting all southern, like the guys in Cannibal Run there, dude.
Plenty.
You're making weird noises. You sound like a creep in the dark. Okay, so anyway, do we think this is gonna work? I mean, this worked.
Yeah, it's gonna work.
I gotta wire this garbage tomorrow. Hey, grab me one of those little connectors. I wanna see how well that fits.
Yeah. Oh, they're all.
So we're lighting this with a scooter.
I'll be right back.
Where you going?
I gotta get it.
You gotta get it? No, nerp. Oh, jeez, man. You guys having fun with this? I don't have the good mic on. Deal with it. So, this is a lot of work, and it's kind of serious. Blade, where are you? It's kind of, we're retro modding it. It looks like a Cosworth T. I just want one.
Oh, well.
It's not that late, is it? It's almost 10.
That's just getting started. There you go, Casey.
Can you hold the camera for a second?
Absolutely. I'll just keep it right.
Hey, these are nice. Are they actually gold-plated connectors?
Yes, they are.
Ooh, look at that little buddy. It's so cute.
Just like the rest of the car, gold plated.
It's so cute. Look at that. Can't see a damn thing. Oh my god. Well, that fits good.
Yeah, it fits really good. It's like.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, it's good.
Ooh.
See, trust me, I can get it.
Well, I'm only concerned. You got more of those connectors?
Yeah.
Where?
In the box on the wheel
I
behind
need
you.
2 more.
All right.
Once we push these on, they're not coming out. We do not need the.
Oh, we're not.
We don't need the silicone. I don't
There they
think. We could put. What we ought to do. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna use some heat shrink tubing and just put a teeny tiny on the bare connector.
Yep.
Okay. Not the crimpy thing. Is that crimpy thing? Do we heat it up? Does it shrink?
Probably not.
Oh hell. I dropped it. I dropped something.
Oh Lord.
It's in my pants. Hey, hold this.
Oh, I'm coming back.
Don't push no buttons now. All right, here we go.
I've been pushing your buttons all day.
So, when you're at a racetrack, you have to be loud and like theatrical for people to hear you. And so, I was in a really good mood with Blaine while we were getting this, and we went into a Burger King, and I forgot to turn it off. And I'm like, "Hello, Burger King!" Yeah. And then I realized I was being like that, and I didn't care, so I kept going. We didn't get kicked out. They were entertained by it. Blaine, we can just jam these puppies on there. They're not going anywhere.
They ain't going nowhere?
Darn, I can't take these off now.
Well, that's great to hear. That's
I need
actually
a pair of
that's
pliers.
actually a problem.
I legit need a pair of pliers to pull these out.
Well, that's good. Well, that's that looks like it's a
That, look at that! Look at that! Yeah, it's like a little short circuit.
That looks like something to be used on a Star Wars set, you know?
Oh man. Okay. Well, should we tell them that we haven't been drinking? They won't believe it.
Well, you haven't.
You've been drinking? Did you get a beer? Oh, sure. I'm doing all the work.
Hey, I was doing work. I had to do some fabrication on a singular nut.
Look, I will stay here all night. I don't care that these cars are hard to drive because I refuse to go back out on the track and
No, not with how it
Indy
was.
Lights car freaking.
Yeah, you
walk
shouldn't be
away
getting
from us.
passed by a car with 400 horse.
Oh, I don't want to talk about it.
That ain't on you. It's on the lovely engineers who made the decision at Cosworth to do this.
Magnetti Spaghetti.
Not the lovely gentleman who assembles them, who was great to us this morning.
No, it's the guys that designed that thing originally. People don't like them.
No.
All right, we'll figure out where to put this garbage tomorrow.
The Honda Spaghetti.
All right, well, guys, that's what's up. So we're gonna race these cars tomorrow. We got the Riley Daytona Prototype back there, which is awesome. And big shout out to BMW Eyewear. I don't have my sunglasses on right now because it's dark. But if I did, I would look cooler.
Driving is so much more than going from point A to point B, and sunglasses are a necessity. I'm very excited that BMW Eyewear is supporting Genius Garage and their BMW V10 Daytona Prototype. So I want you guys to check out their line of sunglasses that resonate the most beautiful car designs and performance history from the Bavarian Motor Works. These lightweight frames are performance-oriented with iconic elements such as the colorful M-stripe. And they're built for the BMW enthusiast, but frankly, work for everyone and all car people out there. I really love them, and all the varying designs are a lot of fun. So I want you guys to go check out the link below. You can purchase them at Kohl's.com. You're gonna love these glasses regardless of what kind of car you drive.
And we're gonna run this Exosphere. If it makes full power, it's gonna be a whole new ball game than yesterday. So I will have to think really fast for the difference. It's the difference, like when you go from the Daytona Prototype, it's not this. They're totally different. It'll throw off everything because you're in different gears and different corners and different speeds and different things. And different feedback, because that's power steering and this has none, and this is insane, and that's kind of pleasant. So we'll see, but this is just such a great event to be at. So many neat people, making new friends, and it's awesome seeing everybody here. It doesn't matter if you're racing or crewing or camping and spectating. It's just the best place in the world to be for cars. So hope to see you guys here one day, and let's see what happens next. All right, you guys, I don't have the special mic on, but check out what we've got going on. We've been working all day since this morning. Gavin from the team last year has helped out a lot. So we've been working hard here with regard to all of the wiring, heat shrinking and everything. We've got all the stuff figured out. Gavin right now has crimped everything on. We're being very particular with the wiring harness. Now, one thing that threw us out was these here, we thought these were fancy knock sensors. They're not. They're just fancy grounds and bosses to mount the plate that holds everything. So we were like kind of freaked out because we weren't sure we knew what the wiring was all about. But here's what I got going right now. Here's the bosses and the mounts. I put a little loop here so it holds the wires, gives it a little positive pressure. We got them clipped on. Everything is wired up nice. Got the zip ties holding the coils anywhere we can put them where it would be hopefully a little bit cooler in there. And that's what we got. So I hope it works. I gotta jump in the Daytona Prototype right now. Obviously, we're having a good time. I'll be honest, I'm a little stressed. Obviously, we're going really hard today, so it's gotta be good. Now, the Daytona Prototype, we're not contesting for anything special. And yesterday, running at the pace that felt comfortable going with that new car and everything like that, we really didn't have anybody to race with. So I think we're gonna go out and have a nice drive, keep the car happy in one piece, and I'm going to basically just try to be as chill as possible. Because if the F1 car works, I'm gonna need whatever energy I got left, guys. Here we go. the Daytona Prototype race. I hope the footage worked out. That was nice. Second in class. Definitely couldn't get up the field because those are LMP 1 and 2 cars and they have a lot more aero and things than us. But it was a good run. Nice car and all that. So now is the moment of truth. Does our wildly MacGyver Honda S2000 plug and wiring job work? So we're gonna hop in and see if it fires. If it doesn't, we're not racing. If it does, and it's happy, we're racing. Hey, anybody can catch MacGyver in a bubble with wet top? You know you want it. Oh yeah!
That's nice.
That's for luck. All the wires and everything clear of hot things.
I'm gonna double check before you do anything. I'll plug in.
Plug in battery.
He's plugged in the battery. Plugged in. Put this side.
Fire extinguisher handy.
I got it. Go for it.
I have to turn this thing over without the ignition first to get pressure.
Yep.
Ready for that?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
Are we sure all the boots are seated?
Even if they weren't, even if one was popped off, it should still go black or something.
Yeah, I'm checking the grounds. It's, you know, we did something simple.
I'm thinking about it right now. We hooked up everything perfectly.
Yeah, we did. I saw what you and Gavin did. You did everything right. Every single one.
Let me see the notebook, the yellow one.
Yeah.
Blue clearly has to be the signal wire because there were 4 pins for it.
Yeah.
Black is very obviously ground. The power is from F and E, which is irrelevant to hooking them up,
No.
right?
That is correct.
ECU signal is the trigger wire.
Yeah.
Ground is ground. It's called a little switch. Positive. So from the bumps it goes blue, black, red. And that's the way everything's hooked up. Every one of them. So maybe S2012 actually don't work in a common. Spark plug up against some metal and see if it fires.
plus side.
Yeah.
On the plus side, you look very debonair in that suit in this car.
Yeah, but there's this area.
Well, you can't help that
And
one.
the squinty eye. and the gnarly face.
I'm gonna go ahead and start on the side.
Well, just pull out the front one and see what it looks like. Alright, I'm gonna get out. Thanks. Definitely hard to get out. Piece of tape that it sells around. Yeah.
Nothing.
Well, it was a good effort. And had it paired right, this would have ran and would have finished. I was hoping for a 10-year anniversary of Genius Garage. Our kick-ass formula car would have done well and finished because the first year of Genius Garage, our Indy car blew up. At least it's not blown up.
Oh, fire.
So in 10 years, we have succeeded at not blowing up our formula car.
Yes.
What will the next 10 years bring? Perhaps in 10 years, our next formula car will run for the race. Talk to him.
To me?
He's a happy guy. Also, you definitely need a better hat than that.
But that was the hat of the week.
It's an inside joke.
You want to pull a wire out and stick it right in the
I don't know what to say. Just anything.
What the fuck we got to lose?
I mean, we still had a great weekend. It was awesome being out here. We got the Riley out. It finished the race, and it was great having both of the cars out here and having them run. The Lotus ran great the first few days, so, you know, it's a little disappointing, but I'm just happy that we got all the cars out here and had everybody out here.
I don't know. That's it for that. I can't think of anything we could possibly do to make that. What are you doing? I guess that's what happens when you don't go testing. As for why we didn't go testing, time, money, coordination, travel, etc., etc. So you do the best you can with what you got. But we've got two cars that are in one piece and run. The Riley is the new champ for Genius Garage, so that's exciting. And the Exosphere is in one piece, so that's relieving. But it would have been very nice to run on this beautiful day with pretty cars. So I guess we'll just have to do better next year. You got anything we can do?
Not at a time constraint now. Call McLaren on Monday so we can get originals.
Good what?
Originals.
They want specs.
You want?
They want specs like input, output, things like that. Like what are they?
No. From the, they already have them all wired ready to go.
I know that, but you said how much they're probably going to cost.
That's what my guy guessed. But nobody's bought anything out of those two crates in years. It might be an affordable price, it might be a piss-off price. We don't want to deal with you, go away.
Let me ask you this. How can we try and find out the specs of those things?
I can talk with the Cosworth engineer again.
He would know, wouldn't he?
Might.
What's somebody reverse engineer the old oil?
Because I don't want to run those things again.
That's fair. We know those didn't last very long. So it's there, the new ones from Road.
Yeah, I mean, Rodin wants to sell $1 million cars to other people. They don't want to help out North Carolina, probably.
Probably not. They might need to change the coil packs. Considering that the engine won't need a rebuild before the coil packs.
No, yeah, these coil packs are garbage.
Yeah.
The coils do not last. No, the coil packs are
Yeah, the coils should not be a 25-hour service time. Oh, come on. God. No. Okay, somebody get a knife and find the seam by going like this and gently slice it. Okay, it's gonna be the width of duct tape from the end. Does that make sense?
Yep.
I don't know if this is a good idea, Blaine, but I'm gonna shove this like that and shove it in there. I don't want to be the one to say it. There's no way we're gonna do this in time, Casey.
Okay. Let me see if the crimping works, and if it doesn't work, we're fucked. We don't have a proper crimper. Nope. Get any of them other cut? We're gonna need to tape this up, and it's full of silicone glue. That sucks. Can you get, that's good. Give me a couple towels and duct tape. I don't.
Give me the rags over the exhaust.
I don't know about this. Everything's covered in silicone.
Even if we're able to get them crimped on there's no way we're gonna get a stable enough connection.
Somebody with a towel and carbon choke cleaner, brake cleaner, it's not really gonna break it down much. Take one of those coil packs and start cleaning it off. It's got, forget stripping it, just see if you can clean them off. Because we can't clean them off, we can't hold them with anything. The old coil packs are covered in dielectric grease, which is silicone-based insulator. The problem is it's not going to break down easily. We have to tape to it to hold it together, and if we can't do that, it's not going to work.
Can that be our new motto?
Well, here's the deal. This is the deal. Here's the deal. We're going to regroup and we're going to fix this, and we're going to take one car to the next vintage race and frickin'.
And then we're going to get a K for kicking dick.
Kicking dick.
And we're going to test. We're going to test first.
Yeah.
Like normal racing teams do.
You mean teams with money?
Well,
Yeah.
we can pull.
Those are the ones.
Yeah, no, those people.
All we need to do is find out the specs on these things.
We can call it champion now.
I don't know, input voltage.
Yeah, give me the champion one.
It's the same thing. It's like Federal Mogul. Who knows? Maybe that would have been the one thing that saved these things, not mount them in the engine.
Yeah.
In fact, well, that's it. Hey, let's call Jim. Where's my phone?
That'll be a quick call.
I think he's traveling.
Welcome to Verizon.
Well, it's hard to make podium when your car doesn't start. But nothing ventured, nothing gained. And Genius Garage was still a good weekend. And we still got a medal with one of our cars that we didn't even expect to do well. And that one was an even bigger project for everybody. So it's definitely a win. The competitive side of me is not happy. The engineering side of me is not happy. Yeah. But on the plus side, it's a free day, and it's time to go home. See you guys next time.